Magento is a free open-source e-commerce platform written in PHP. The software was originally developed by Varian Incorporated, 1A, U.S. private company headquartered in Culver City, California, with assistance from volunteers. On November 17, 2015, Magento 2.0 was released, with an aim to provide new ways to heighten user engagement, smooth navigation, improve conversion rates and overall revenue generation for store owners. Magento 2 introduced the model view model pattern to its front-end code using the JavaScript library Knockout.js. What is Magento 2? Magento 2 is an open-source large Ecommerce system. Magento 2 is model view model (MVVM) architecture. While being closely related to its sibling model view controller, MVC, MVVM architecture provides a more robust separation between the model and the view layers. Why use Magento 2? Magento was stripped down and rebuilt from scratch to what is now a quicker, easier, and safer Magento 2 version. It is very fast, better than Magento 1. New file structure. New, more modern front-end code base. Reduced number of conflicts between modules trying to customize the same functionality. New layout elements. CSS pre-processing. Magento UI library. Improved performance and scalability. Reducing upgrade efforts and costs. What are the important new features in Magento 2.3? PWA Progressive Web App. Asynchronous Web API. Message Queue. GraphQL. RabbitMQ. Libsodium. Klarna integration. Declarative database scheme. Cache management ACL. Google reCAPTCHA. Multi-stock inventory. Business-friendly page builder. Two-factor authentication. Support Elasticsearch. Amazon third-party sales. What are new features in Magento 2.2? Magento 2.2 features. New B2B functionality. Improved security. Better fraud protection. Enhanced reporting. Enhanced developer experience. Mass technology stack update. New deployment process, pipeline. Better performance, improved indexing, cache, and cart. What is the difference between cache clean and cache flush? Typically, cache clean deletes all enabled cache related to Magento, whereas cache flush deletes the whole cache storage, whether it's Magento cache or any third-party cache, whether enabled or disabled. What are the two methods in component root directory location? Magento install directory, app. Magento install directory, vendor. Which command is used to enable or disable a Magento 2 module? PHP bin, Magento module enable namespace _ module name. PHP bin, Magento module disable namespace _ module name. How can you get customer collection in Magento 2? By using below code, object get collection. $customer collection equals $customer get collection. Which class Magento 2 helper extend? Magento framework app helper abstract helper. How to reset admin password in Magento 2? Using these three methods. Method 1, from Magento 2 user interface. Method 2, to reset Magento 2 admin password from PHP MyAdmin or MySQL interface. Method 3 : command line interface CLI. How to add new JS file to Magento 2. In the root of your theme, add a file named requiresconfig.js and then declare new JavaScript file and requiresconfig.js. Which command is used to regenerate all URL rewrites of the categories, products in all stores run? All stores command. Bin, Magento OKRWrites regenerate. Specific store command. Bin, Magento OKRWrites regenerate to or $bin, Magento OKRWrites regenerate store it equals to. What is even Magento? EVE stands for Entity Attribute Value, is a technique which allows you to add unlimited columns to your table virtually. Eve, also known as Object Attribute Value Model and Open Schema. Entity. Entity actually refers to data item. For example, we can consider it as customer, category or product. Attribute. Attribute refers to the different attributes of the entity. Like for example, products have different attributes like color, size, price, etc. Value. Value refers to the actual value of the attribute of the entity. Like color has value red, price has value $25, etc. How to create new address in Magento 2. If you want to create a new address for a customer and set it as default shipping or billing address, you only need to create a new address object from factory. $address equals $this underscore address factory create. Set its data. Depending on its type, you need to set it as default shipping or default billing. You can also set both, so that a customer has only one address. If $type equals shipping, $address set is default shipping 1. If $type equals billing, $address set is default billing 1. How can you get or set values in Magento 2? By using these two methods. \Magento \framework \app \config \storage \write interface. To write config values to database. \Magento \framework \app config \scope config interface. To read config values from database. What is the location of modules in Magento 2? The modules are located at vendor, Magento directory. Can you explain Magento 2 folder structure? Magento 2 folder structure has been changed a lot from the previous version of Magento platform. If you navigate through the root directory of Magento 2, you'll see the following folder structure. /root directory. /app, the core files of Magento 2 including configuration, modules and themes files. /bin, it contains the Magento 2 CLI feature. /dev, developer tools such as Magento Test Framework, MTF. /lib, core libraries. /server, it contains router.php file. /pub, generated static files and site media. It should be set as your web root on the server side. As the name of the folder says, it contains all the publicly accessible files. /setup, in this setup directory, several important packages such as the Performance Toolkit are available. /var, same as Magento v1, the var folder contains raw cache files, logs, sessions, and reports. /vendor, it is generated by Composer using composer.json file. This folder includes various packages that have been defined under composer.json file. How many types of sessions are available in Magento? There are two types of sessions being used, customer and checkout sessions. All customer-related data is locked with customer session, whereas data related to order and quotes are stored in checkout session. Session types are utilized separately since order get placed, checkout session data information needs to be flushed. Thus, having two different sessions for order and customer-related data makes sense. Example, customer session's first name will be $_session customer first name. The similar example works for checkout session as well. What is the command line used to clear and flush Magento cache? To clean the cache, php bin, Magento cache clean. To flush cache, php bin, Magento cache flush. How to add custom JS file in require JS file. To add JS file in your Magento 2 custom module, you need to add requires.config.js file in your module at pathapp/code/webcall/test/view/frontend. What are the different ways of enhancing the performance of Magento? There are several ways with which we can enhance the performance in Magento, some of them are listed below. Disable any unused modules. Enable Magento caching. Optimize images. Disable Magento log. Combine external CSS/JS into a single file. MySQL query caching. Enable zip compression. What task management system have you used? Jira, Asana, Redmine and so on. Which command line is used to static content deploy? PHP bin, Magento setup static content deploy. For particular language. PHP bin, Magento setup static content deploy in _u.s. For Magento backend theme. PHP bin, Magento setup static content deploy, theme equals Magento, backend. For specific themes. PHP bin, Magento setup static content deploy, theme Magento, Luma, theme Magento, second _ theme. Exclude themes and does not minify HTML files. PHP bin, Magento setup static content deploy in _u.s, exclude theme Magento, Luma, no hem minify. Which command line is used to show the mode of all indexers? PHP bin, Magento indexer show mode. Which command line is used to enable, disable and uninstall module? Enable module, PHP bin, Magento module, enable namespace _ module. Disable module, PHP bin, Magento module, disable namespace _ module. Uninstall module PHP bin, Magento module, uninstall namespace _ module. Which command line is used to see all modules status? PHP bin, Magento module status. Which command line is used to set Magento cron tab? PHP bin, Magento cron install, force. Which command line is used to change to developer mode and production mode and check current mode? Change to developer mode, PHP bin, Magento deploy, mode, set developer. Change to production mode, PHP bin, Magento deploy, mode, set production. Check current mode, PHP bin, Magento deploy, mode, show. Which command line is used to unlock admin user? PHP bin, Magento admin, user, unlock admin username. Which command line is used to check maintenance and disable maintenance? Check maintenance, PHP bin, Magento maintenance, status. Disable maintenance, PHP bin, Magento maintenance, disable. Which command line is used to allow IP on maintenance mode? PHP bin, Magento maintenance allow IPS, IP equals 192.0.0.1, IP equals 192.0.0.2. Which command line is used to reindexing, view the list of indexers and view indexer status? For reindexing, PHP bin, Magento indexer, reindex. For view the list of indexers, PHP bin, Magento indexer, info. For view indexer status, PHP bin, Magento indexer, status. Like, share and comment. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Click the bell button for latest updates.